solve for sine x equal to cosecant x. So we have the 4 sine x equal to 1 over sine x. Then we have the sine square x is 1 over 4. So the sine x will be the plus minus square root 1 over 4, which is plus minus 1 over 2. So the basic angle will be the arc sine of 1 over 2, which is 30 degrees. And we have the ASTC. Sine positive will be the first quadrant and the second quadrant, and sine negative will be the fourth quadrant and the third quadrant, 180 plus theta and 360 minus theta. So the x will be 30 degrees, 180 minus 30, 180 plus 30, 360 minus 30. So the x will be 30 degree, 150 degree, 210 degree and 330 degree. Okay, next we need to solve this. We know that the tangent square plus 1 equal to the secant square. Okay, so the secant square I can substitute with the tangent square plus 1. So we have the tangent square 3y minus 2, tangent square 3y minus plus 1 minus 2 equal to 0. So we have the tangent square 3y minus 2 tangent square 3y minus 2 equal to 0. So we have the negative 4 equal to the tangent square 3y. So we move this 2 to the other side. 2 minus 1, 1. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. So we have the tangent square 3y equal to negative 4. No solution. No, I make a mistake here. Okay, it's secant, not secant square. So the tangent square is the secant square minus 1. So we have the secant square 3y minus 1 minus 2 secant 3y minus 2 equal to 0. So we have the secant square 3y minus 2 secant 3y minus 3 equal to 0. And we do the factorization equal to 0. Then we have the secant 3y 1 3 minus 3 plus 1. Then we have the secant 3y equal to negative 1 and the secant 3y equal to 3. Okay, then we have 1 over cos 3y equal to negative 1, 1 over cos 3y equal to 3. Then we will have the cos 3y equal to negative 1. Okay, so cos negative 1 is 180. So we have the 3y equal to 180 degree. And then so this one is 3y. So 3y will between 0 and 180 times 3, 540. So this one we have plus 360, then it is 540. So the y will be 60 and then 180. And we have the cos 3y is 1 over 3. Then the basic angle will be the arc cos of 1 over 3. So we have the arc cos of 1 over 3. Okay, but this one is in degree. So 1 over 3 angle unit degree. So this is 70.5. So we have the ASTC. Cos positive will be the first and the last quadrant. So the 3y will be the 70.5, and then divide by 3, so this is 23.5. okay, and then we will have the 360 minus, so this is 360 minus and divide by 3, and we have this one 360 plus this one and divide by 3. Okay, so we will have this one and this one here. So in the first cycle, then we have these two solutions. So, and then we will also have this one, which is the theta plus 360 degree, and this is theta, this is 360 minus theta. Okay, because the domain is half cycle, then 3y will be 1.5 half cycle. So we go to until here. This one we no need to go for the second time. Okay, so as conclusion, the y is 23.5 degree, 60 degree, 96.5 degree, 143.5 degree, and 180 degree. Done. C, we have the tangent. So the basic angle will be the arctangent of square root 3. I know this is 60 degree, pi over 3. So we have the ASTC, tangent positive will be the theta and pi plus theta. So the z minus pi over 3 will be the pi over 3 and the pi plus pi over 3. So the z will be the pi over 3 plus the pi over 3 and the pi plus pi over 3 plus pi over 3. So the z will be the 2 pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3. Okay. Plus 2 pi over 3, 5 pi over 3. Yes.